for India.
I'd like to draw your attention to liquidity. Given the growth parameters and the inflation and the growth dynamic, is the system now ready for liquidity injection? Because liquidity on a net basis in last 24 months is actually less. Is the system now ready to accept that back in?
You see, liquidity was in surplus till about September or so, September last year. Thereafter, it has become, it has turned into deficit, and there are various factors external to the Reserve Bank. That is external factors. External meaning I don't mean foreign, but external to the RBI. For example, the currency in circulation, it plays a, it plays an important role in deciding the quantum of, in impacting the quantum of liquidity. The currency in circulation, government expenditure, and the inflow of forex. When foreign exchange comes in, then obviously, these are the factors which are extraneous to the, external to the RBI. So we have been, as I said as we pointed out in the last monetary policy statement, we have been quite nimble in our liquidity actions. We are almost simultaneously, during the last fortnight or 1 month, we are injecting liquidity by way of variable rate repo operations. We are also periodically taking out liquidity by way of variable rate reverse repo auctions. So it is both VRR and VRRR. In fact, last few days or last few weeks, we have been doing more than one auction on the same day. So that is the kind of nimbleness which we have demonstrated to manage liquidity. But for the last 4 weeks or so, I think liquidity has been, liquidity has been in surplus. And that is reflective in the fact that the overnight call rates, call money rates, the overnight call rates, which were earlier hovering around 6.75 to even sometimes touching 6.8, they came down to about 6.6 or so, 6.6, 6.7, and yesterday, in fact, it was below 6.5. So therefore, liquidity has been sort of, there is sort of adequate amount of liquidity, there's good amount of liquidity in the system, it's not deficit, and that is clearly reflected in the overnight call rates.
Paytm, I would like to again establish for our viewers what our channel view has been, that Reserve Bank of India has acted in public interest to safeguard